Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. Today, I'm gonna be trimming my bushes. Ooh. For real though, I have a hedger. I just bought this little Ryobi hedger from Home Depot. I've never used one before, but my hedges, my bushes, they're getting out of control. So I thought we would grab a little guy and put him to the test. I want to start really landscaping and making my boxwoods look beautiful and very Bridgerton-ish vibes. So we're gonna get right to it, test this guy out. The battery's not in right now because I'm trying to be safe. And we'll see how it works. So let's go. Woo! All right, so I put the battery in. Ooh, so you press down on this guy and then you do the front. Okay, perfect. And then let's see. Oh no, oh, that's great. So both hands need to be engaged for this to do its thing. All right, let's go find a bush. All right, I don't know what this is called, but I know it's invasive and I hate it. So we're also just gonna, okay, I'm gonna do my first test with this guy. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Oh dang, okay, it does a good job. We're living. I love this, but my arms are already tired. I'm gonna do this last side of this hedge. We'll see how we get, but I absolutely love it so far. It looks amazing and it's super easy to use. My broken collarbone like has been acting up lately because I've been lifting a little too much and I'm feeling it. All right, let's go.
Kid, you gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before. You just gotta bend your knees, take a deep breath, and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
All right, so I just finished doing the Boxwoods plus one of the hedges. I have to say I'm obsessed. I love this little guy. He worked so well. So shout out to Ryobi. Cute little guy. They have some really unique tools, but a hedger isn't unique. But like Ryobi has it when it comes to like cute little gardeny vibes. Nothing like heavy duty or crazy, but like a garden girl like me, pretty good, pretty good. I did notice that my front hedges have caterpillars this year. I actually had some of my pom-poms have them last year, and I whipped up like a neem oil type of solution to get rid of them. Thank goodness I got this to get a closer look at them because I haven't really looked at them this year. I'm gonna have to spray those hedges. I'm gonna make up a little organic concoction. It worked really well last year. So I really wanna get those front hedges as healthy as possible. Last year, when I bought the house, just after I bought the house, we had giant snowfalls, and I noticed a giant thing of snow, like heavy wet snow, fell on the boxwood hedge, breaking a whole section. So it was really sad last year. And then of course this year, there's caterpillars. So looks like I have some work to do to make my Bridgerton hedge a reality. But I'm gonna bring this guy over to my other house where my garden is. Wow, that sounds so bougie. Gonna bring this over to my garden to trim some of my pom-pom boxwoods. But yeah, oh, it is hard though. Like my hands are, it feels like when I'm sanding, you know, like just that crazy vibration. This is the same thing. So I definitely have to do this in short spurts. But it did so well, and I'm so happy I bought this. I'm so excited to just go like trim all my bushes, all my hedges. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you trim your hedges regularly too. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.